Good morning, Anusha. Good morning, Teju. Good morning, Anuradha. Marva, good morning. Likith, good morning. Prashant, good morning. Tejashri, good morning. Sandhya, good morning. Meenang, good morning. Yashaswini, happiest morning to you too. Good morning. Pavan, good morning. Dhanush, good morning. Harshita, good morning. Suma, good morning. Sagar, good morning. Rachana, good morning. Kavyanjali, good morning. Vidya Shri, good morning. Thanks, Vidya. Yeah, we all start with a very big smile. Come on. Deepthi, good morning. Let's all smile. Vijay, good morning. It is only a smile that keeps us going in these difficult times. Yeah. Prashant, what happened? Okay, Prashant. To you too. Nice, nice. Nice to see you all happy and cheerful. Manoj, good morning. Shairija, good morning. Suvarna, good morning. Ismail, good morning. Wow, that's a nice morning. Kiran Kumar, good morning. Hafiza, good morning. Hafiza, you're the student who joined last. You have a baby. Are you the same student? Madan, good morning. Shahil, good morning. It's 9-4, man. Tell them to join. Phone your friends to join. Deepika, good morning. Yeah, ask them to join fast so that I can start the problem. Ravina, good morning. Yes, Hafiza. What's your baby's name? Harsha, good morning. Umesh, good morning. Is it a baby girl or boy, Hafiza? Join man. Why so few today? Okay, let me start. Booming, good morning. Why so few today? Yes, today we are doing something called IA. Very sweet. Good morning, IA. Is she watching? Good morning, Zahid. Yes, Zahid, I'm doing well. Prajwal, good morning. Today we are doing something called the row minima method. The row, row minima method. We are doing transportation problems, and in the transportation problems, we are doing the row minima method. Ubaidullah, good morning. Copy down. In the transportation problems, we are doing the row, ROW, row minima method. Okay, already Rajesh. Hi Rajesh, good morning Rajesh. How are you? How are you doing Rajesh? Hope you're doing fine. Is it raining in Bidar? Alicia, good morning. Badrish, good morning. Emmanuel, good morning. Chaitanya, good morning. Pavi, good morning. Kurban Ali, good morning. Shailaja, good morning. Join fast, Ray. Let me start. Sheikh Kafu, good morning. Okay. Should I start or no? Shall we start? Okay, class. Today I have not ruled anything. I want to rule with you. We are going to do an imaginary problem, transportation problem, and we are doing, Shruti, good morning. We are going to do it with a method called the row minima method. Row is spelled as ROW and minima is spelled as MINIMA. The row minima method. Kavya, good morning. Now write this. Solve the following transportation problem. Everyone write this. Solve the following transportation problem using the row minima method. Not northwest corner rule, we have finished that. So do this. Solve the following transportation problem using the row minima method. See, so far we have been doing Ismail, good morning. Bharadwaj, good morning. Preeti, good morning. In my last two classes, we did two problems, both on the northwest corner rule. North means, Ramya, good morning. North means up and west means left, your left. So we started allocating to the cell on the top left corner. Is that clear? To the cell on the top left corner. Now, today we are doing a problem on the row minima method. So, in this problem, we will take the first row and allocate according to the least cost in that row. So, Zabiullah, good morning. In the first row, whichever is the least, we start allocating. Once we complete the supply of the first row, then we descend to the second row and the third row. Yatish, good morning. So, I thought I will rule with you. All of you, we are going to rule. All of you rule the first column and call it source. Wait. the first column, you call it source. Isan, good morning. Call the first column as source. You may ask me, ma'am, why are you not showing us the problem? Why are you doing step by step? See, it is important to understand the problem in order to get fun out of it. I can tell you, do this, do this, do this, put here, man, put here, there. But what fun is there? Here, put yourself in the place of a manager who's actually managing this situation, and you get a lot of fun in it. Okay? Because operations research is a subject which is a lot of fun, which really helps you to make quantitative decisions. All right? So, the first one. Now, in the middle, you leave place, and for the last column, you write supply. Make another column at the end. In the between, you leave place for 3 or 4. Okay? So, this is how you do. This is the source, and this is the supply. For anything that I write here, this is the supply. Okay. Now, how many sources you want? 3 or 4? I will rule now. We'll have 4. Make 4 rows, and the 5th row is the requirement. Naina, good morning, ma'am. Make 4 rows for 4 sources. And the 5th row will be the requirement. Wait a minute. I thought it will be better if I rule with you. Yes, very good morning, Arjun. So I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows for the source and 1 for the requirement. Now this source I will call as S1, S2, S3. Okay? And S4. S1, S2, S3 and S4. Emmanuel, good morning, sweetheart. How are you? Pavitra, good morning. S1, S2, S3 and S4, and you have the supply here. Okay? Now, in the middle, I'm going to call all of these as retailers. See, you have to write, wait, you don't, this thing, write on top, because below that I have to give R1, R2, R3, R4. See? Make retailers on top and leave this column, this row to write the retailers R1, R2, etc. Because this row is already taken up by S1, so keep place here. This particular row divide into 2 retailers. Now here I am going to write 4 retailers. Thanks, Melvin. I am fine too. Pray for me. Pavitra, good morning. Maunesh, good morning. So I'm going to have 4 retailers, and Sandeep, good morning. So I'm going to call them R1, R2, R3 and R4. Now, you are a manager in a business firm and you have four sources and you have to transfer. Satya, good morning. You have to transfer goods from these four sources to the four retailers. From these four sources, you have to transfer goods to these four retailers. Now, the supply of S1 will be shown here, supply of S2 here, S3 here, and S4 here. And this column here, I will write the requirement. Right. Thanks, Melvin. You too. Emmanuel, sorry. See, this R is not coming properly. This column I have written as requirement. Ram, good morning. Okay. Now, I'm going to fill imaginary supply in this column. For S1, the supply will be here. So, I'm going to, excuse me, I'm going to write the supply of S1, S2, S3, S4. Imaginary supply. This problem is purely imaginary. So I'll give 150 in the first column. Next column, let's say I'll give 80. All right. Next column, let me give 120. Okay. And last column, I'll give 100. So add it up and give me the answer. 150, wait. 150 is the supply of S1. 80 is the supply of S2. 120 is the supply of S3 and 100 is the supply of S4. Okay, 150, this is okay. Rahul, good morning. Now, what is the total you give me? I'm not going to do. You give me 450. Yes, yes. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice this and write 450 and 450. Okay, so I want this, yes, all of you, Isan, Ismail, Pavitra, Nagesh, Ravina, Arjun, and one went up, man. Sarika, Harsha, Anusha, Anuradha, Zabiullah, Sandhya, everybody, thank you for the 450. Who else? Um, Vijay Kumar, yeah. Isan, Ismail, everybody, thank you. I feel very good when you reply because I know you're following. Yeah. So now I want this problem a balanced problem. Balanced problem means requirement is the same as supply. So I have written here 450, 450. So I'm going to fill in here requirement to fill in to say, to equal to 450. So I am lazy to count. So first one I will give 100. Second one I'll give 150. Third one I'll give 100. And fourth one I'll give 100. 100, 200, 300, 450. Okay. Now I'm going to put imaginary costs in all the cell. As I told you, put it on the right side bottom of the cell, because left side, see, in any cell you put it in this corner, because this side we are going to allot. In this one we are going to allot here, so put here, right below, right side, because upper left corner we use for allotting the units. Okay, excuse me. Okay, I'm going to put imaginary this thing, 3579 in the first column. Three, 5, 7, 9. Next, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the second column. 2, 4, 6, 8. Remember, these are all imaginary figures. Okay. Then next one, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Last one will give 2, 3, 4, 5. Shall we? Yeah. They are just imaginary figures. So now our problem is ready. Now, as I told you, we have to solve it by the row minima method. This is a simple method, but you have to learn it. Okay, row minima method. So now look at the first row. The costs are 3, 2, 4, 2. Okay, 3, 2, 4, 2. There are two twos. It is a tie for you. We have to look at the first row, and you can give here, which is the lowest cost is 2, lowest cost is 2. So there is a tie. So if there is something like this, go for the first two. Go for this one. Okay. Now I repeat, in the row minima method, we are going to allot in the first row. And where will allot? For the least. Least is 2, and here there's another 2. So we'll go for this 2. It makes the same this thing, no problem. Okay. So how much are we going to allot here? If you see here, there is 150 here. Requirement for R2. I'm going to allot to R2 because 2 is here. And supply is 150. So I'm going to allot here in R2. S1 R2 column 150 units. Somshekhar, good morning. Ashok, good morning. So I have allotted here 150 units from this 150 units. Okay. So I'll cut off this 150 supply. From the supply of S1, I have allotted, this is 150 here. I have allotted 150 here. So this supply becomes nil. I'm going to cut it off and put 0. So the first step I did is allocate it here. From where? From this. So 0. Now come here. This is R2. R2 requirement is 150. Since I've allocated all 150 here, I'm going to cut this and make it 0. Actually, class, if you see now, in this S1, this S1, suppose you're going to do one more matrix for the next allocation. That time, what happens is, you need not put this first row. This first row is eliminated, and this second column is eliminated. So today we will do the problem by doing the matrix again. Okay, so in this matrix I'm going to, first you write, please rule with me because all types of problems we have to do. So the first one, rule as source, last one as supply. First column as source, last column as supply. Rule it off and write on top retailers in the middle column. You remember that you require double rows for the middle columns. Please rule again, because in the exam you will need to do the problem like this. Okay, in the exam you will need to do matrix again and again and again. Understand? So this is the second iteration. You have the matrix again. Now remember class, the first one, S1, supply is exhausted. So I'm going to eliminate that row. In my second matrix, I'm not going to have S1. Okay, I'm going to have only S2, S3 and S4. Similarly, the row R1 is untouched. I'm going to have it in the next matrix. R2 is completely exhausted. So I'm not going to have it here. R3, R4 I'm going to have. So I'm going to have S2, S3 and S4 and requirement rows R1, R3 and R4. So now in between source and supply you have only 3 columns. You have only 3 columns, and they are R1, R3 and R4. R2 is eliminated because the requirement is fulfilled. Okay, now we go for S2, S3, S4. Rows, there's no S1 because it is completed. The supply is exhausted. S1 supply is exhausted. So I'm getting S2, S3, S4 and I'm getting requirement. Wait, I'll show you. Excuse me. Note that in the source there is no S1, in the columns there is no R2, in the rows, sorry, in the columns there is no R2, in the rows there is no S1. So now we will write the details for S2. S2, S3, S4, it is 5, 7, 9. I'm copying the same cost as in the previous problem. and next it is of R3, that is 5, 6, 7, and last one 2, 3, 4. No, sorry, 3, 4, 5. I'll verify 1 minute. 5, 7, 9, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. 1 minute. I've written the cos. What was before? 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'll fill in the requirement. It was 100. For R3 it is 100 and R4 it is 100. I'm filling in the supply. S2, good morning Aslam. S2 it is 80. Right on the left side, because you have to cut and put there 0 or whatever. Right on the left side of the cell, 120 and 100. Now, what is the total here? 200 plus 100, 300. Grand total is 300. Now yes, Zabullah. Now the problem looks like this. Great, Pavitra. Ismail, good morning, Ismail. How are you? Call me later, Ismail. I want to talk to you after all the classes you call. Ready? Now look at the problem. We have to go to the second row. And which column we have to allot? Where? Very good, Vidyashri. We have to allot in the least cost. All right? And the least cost in the top row is 3. Okay? How much is there here? Supply 80. Only 80. The requirement for this R4 is 100, but supply is only 80. So we'll give off that 80 here. I repeat, S2 has to be attacked now in the row minima column method. Second row we have to do, and in the second row we have to allot to the least, which is 3 here. So S2 has a supply of 80, but R4 has a requirement of 100. Never mind, we will give this 80 here. So I will allot 80. First step, I allotted 80. Next step, I'll delete this 80 and make it 0. All right? I deleted the 80 and made it 0. Now I have to go down here. The requirement was 100. We have fulfilled 80. So this 100 becomes 20. Now the problem looks like this. If you wish this 300, no, you can make it 220. Better to make in the exam. Now see class, S2 is completely fulfilled. So S2 is eliminated. Okay, S2 is eliminated. What we will do is, we will draw. In the exam, you have to draw again matrix. So we will draw one more matrix, and this matrix will not have S2. All right. I'm going to draw with you. Draw the first column as source, and last column as supply. Source and supply you finish. Wait, I'll write. Okay. Right. The third matrix will be like this: source and supply. And we do not have S2 because S2 is exhausted. So we have only S3 and S4, 2 rows and requirement row. So draw only 3 rows. One for S3, one for S4, and requirement. Okay. Now I'll fill in the supply. The supply is 120 and 100. So your total is 220. In the middle, you have the retailers. You must learn to do operations research fast because there's so much of diagrams to do. OR paper also, like statistics paper, will be long. Now I'm holding up the previous matrix. This is the previous matrix. Okay, you see here this is untouched, so we have to show R1. R3 is untouched, so we have to show. R4 still has 20 for allocation, so now we have to show 3 columns. The first one is R1, second one is R3, and R4. R2 is already deleted. So R1, R3, and R4. All right. Now I'm showing you before I go ahead. Now I'm writing the cost of the cells at 7, 9, 6, 7, 4, 5. Let me check again. 7, 9, 6, 7, 4, 5. And I will also write the requirement down there: 100, 100, and 20. So our third matrix is ready for allotment. Our third matrix is ready for allotment. Okay, ready? Shall we allot? We'll allot. Now, what we have to do, look at the top row. The top row for us is S3 now. And in S3, there is a cost of 7. Next is a cost of 6, and there's a cost of 4. 4 being the least, we must do allocation to 4. I'll show you. We have to attack S3 now. From S3 supply, we have to take the least, which is not 7, not 6, it is 4. So in the S3 column, we allot to 4. How many requirement is there? 20. So we can give here only 20. Though there is a supply of 120, we can give here only 20. So let us give 20. So first I have allotted 20. Okay, I have allotted 20. From where have I allotted? From the supply of S3. So this 120 becomes 100. The first step is to allocate. Next, make this supply as 100. Go down here, cut off this and make it 0. So R4 is completed. Okay. So our problem looks like this now. There is next matrix, we do not do R4. So this one S3 will still be there because we have 100 supply. S4 we have not touched, it will be there, but column R4 will disappear. All right. So we have to do one more matrix. One more matrix. Right. First column source. Right. First column source. Last column supply. It is necessary to do the matrices because evaluators have to see that you have done the problem, isn't it? So last one is Umesh. What is 200 ma? Supply. Okay. Rule for retailers. And in retailers, you'll have only two columns, R1 and R3. Because R4 is exhausted, so we eliminate. Okay. Now we have only two rows. S 200. No, yeah. Sorry, ma. Sorry, correct. 200. Sorry, ma. This is 200, not 220. Here it is 200, not 220. Yes. Yes, Pavitra, I'll do. I won't see. I spoke to some of your classmates and they told me they did not follow the problem in the first class, but they followed in the second class. So I want to do it nicely and slowly. Your seniors told me, ma'am, it is so much in my head that even now I can do. So I want you to say the same thing to me. S3, S4. And it is, yes, Pavitra, it is 7, 9, and 6, 7. And the S3 supply is 100 and S4 supply is 100. Total is 200, 200. Here also it is, requirement is also 100 and 100. So our matrix will look like this. Now we have to attack S3, and S3 has 7 and 6. So we have to give to 6 first. There is 100 supply and 100 requirement. We will allot it 100 units to S3 R3. And cut off. See, I have allotted. First I have allotted 100 units. Cut off because I allotted from this, and the requirement I have fulfilled, so I cut this off. Alright, so R3 is completely gone, eliminated. Now we will not do any more matrices. As you can see, S3 is exhausted. S3 doesn't exist anymore. You have only S4. R3 doesn't exist anymore, only R1. So this completely we cannot touch. This completely we cannot touch. We only have this column to allot. And this column, this cell, we cannot do here. We cannot do for 7 because this is 0. Alright. We have to do only this column because this column is over, and in this column 7 is less than 9, but 7 we cannot allocate because there is no supply left in S3. So this is the only cell that is remaining, and as you can see we have 100 units here, and the requirement here also is 100 units, so we'll allocate the last 100 units here. So the problem is complete. Do the grand total also. Yeah, Anuradha, one more allocation, you finish here. So let me count the allocations now. This is the first sheet. There is one allocation here. What I will do is, I will rule first, and as we see, we will put the allocations. Let's rule. Okay, call it transportation cost. Make 2 rows, 1 row, this thing, 1 for the table, this thing. Call it calculation of transportation cost. Rule for a table class. Heading is calculation of transportation cost. Now, we have to do, yes, Pavitra, good. I will give one extra column, one small column. We call it allotment number. Like serial number. We'll call it allotment number. Okay? Then next we'll call it cell number. Okay? Small one. See, actually from to rate and cost is enough. Units rate. But here I'm just trying to make you more familiar with the problem. So cell number. Then you do from. Next one from and then to. Wait, I'll show you. Then units, rate and cost. 1 second class, I'll count the number of columns. One thin column for allotment number. Total columns I'll tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. Total columns are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll write from to units, rate and cost. So you become a smart manager. If they ask you, we have four, sources, and we have four places in Bangalore to supply. You know how to do it. Okay. Now, the first one I'll just rule for the first one. Okay, I have to start with this one where it was 450. This is my original tableau. So it is cell is S1 R2. I'll write allocation is 1, cell is S1 R2, from is S1 to R2, 150 units at the rate of 2 rupees per unit, and the cost is 300. All right. Now, the next allocation was this one. So the allocation is, second allocation is S2 R4 80 at the rate of 3. So I'm writing here allotment 2. I'll just check S2 R4. From S2 to R4, 80 units at the rate of 3. 8 into 3 is 240. So I have two allocations. One minute, class. Yeah, two allocations are over. Now, third allocation. Third allocation must be this one. S3 R4. 20 at the rate of 4 units. S3 R4, from S3 to R4, 20 at the rate of 4 units, you will get 80 rupees. Okay, ma. Vijay, good. Okay, next one. The fourth one. Fourth one was S3 R3. From S3 to R3,